Hey gang, it's time for a quick tutorial on how to use Quicktime to record your screen and audio on a Mac computer quickly in no time. Sorry. First, you'll need to open up the Quicktime application. Now, the Quicktime app might already be located in the dock at the bottom of your screen, but if it's not, don't panic. One option is you can search for any application by clicking on the magnifying glass in the top right of your screen. This will open up the Spotlight search window and you can just search for Quicktime and find the application this way. It can also be found in the Launchpad. Just open up the Launchpad by clicking on it. This is the little spaceship looking guy at the bottom of your screen, and then use the search bar to search for Quicktime. And once you click on the Quicktime application, you will know it's open because there will be a little dot under the app's icon at the bottom of the screen. This icon looks like a little Q. Before recording, you'll have to make sure that you're actually in the application. This means it should say QuickTime Player at the top left of your screen. If it does not say QuickTime Player at the top left of your screen, then you can simply click on the app's icon at the bottom of your screen and now you're in it. It says QuickTime Player at the top left of your screen. Now go up to the top left and click File, New Screen Recording. This will initiate a small screen recording pop-up window. From here, you want to make sure that you've got your audio recording set to internal microphone. If you happen to be using a headset or an external microphone of any kind to record your audio, just take a moment to make sure you've got the right option selected from the drop-down menu before recording. Test it out by speaking aloud, and you should see some activity on the little meter above the record button. Now be careful, you want to leave this volume bar at 0. This volume bar is the playback volume, not the input volume. So that means if you turn it up, you will create an incredibly annoying feedback loop. For example, have you ever tried to call somebody on speakerphone when they were in the same room as you? Yeah, that's what's gonna happen. You're not gonna have a good time. So leave that bar at 0 and then click the red record button. Now we are ready to initiate the screen recording, but before Quicktime starts to record your screen, you will have to click. Now you can click once quickly anywhere on your screen to record the entire screen, or you can click and drag a little box to record just a small selection of your screen. I'm going to click, drag a box, release, and now I am recording. So whatever I do in this box area will be recorded. Whatever I say while recording will be picked up by the microphone and synced up in a video file. Once I'm finished recording, I can go up to the stop sign in the top right corner of my screen and click stop. Now I've got my video and audio in one convenient file that I can just save to the desktop as, I don't know, screen recording 1. Nice and creative. You can even use Quicktime to make minor edits to your video file. Perhaps you want to trim off the beginning and the end of your recording. You'll just want to open up that video file, click Edit in the top left, and then select Trim from the drop-down menu. You can now cut off the crust, so to speak, ensuring that your video doesn't contain any unnecessary extra parts. Although if you ask me, I'd say the crust is the best part, but anyway, I digress. Once you're happy with your edits to the video file, you'll have to save it again, so go up to File, Save As, and come up with another creative title. Due to the generally larger size of video files, we recommend uploading your file to a streaming service like YouTube or preferably Microsoft Stream. In Microsoft Stream, you can give it a title and a description, and then you'll get a link that you can share with your students through Schoology, email, whatever. Alright, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this quick video, and without further ado, it is time to use Quicktime.